Hi guys, this is Vamshi Bharadwaj. I have a YouTube channel called Manakosam and this is the first time I think I am doing the content in English. Basically, my goal was to create some awakening among the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and preferably Telugu people. That was the reason I was doing the content in Telugu. But the developments in the country these days have made me do the content in English, and today is the first time I am trying to do the content in English, and I want to justify that. These days, how the country is transforming and how the politicians are trying to transform the country matters me a lot, and in fact that should matter the society of India also a lot. The main problem here is these age-old political companies. Why I call them companies? Because they are selling their ideologies forcefully in the name of nation, in the name of religion, in the name of Desh Bhakt. They are trying to sell the regionalism, nationalism very forcefully to the people of India, and they are getting suffocated when someone raises their voices. And it is seen everywhere in every part of the India, especially in the states dominant by BJP or led by BJP. So here someone should understand that I am not anti-BJP or I am not anti-national, for God's sake. The problem here is the people have the ability to think, the people have the ability to justify, the people have the ability to judge. But these politicians do not want that to happen. That is the reason the political parties are trying to silence the Indian youth. And recently you have seen the Cockroach Janata Party's that head, that fellow Abhishek. He has been attacked by some fellow and he was giving the slogans Jai Shri Ram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Who said Cockroach Janata Party is against India? Who want to brand Cockroach Janata Party is against India? That is nothing but the political parties. They want the youth to silently follow their own political agenda, and they are just implementing that very forcefully and very fiercely. Today, one of the reasons to make the content in English is we all respect the human rights. We all respect the animal rights. And many of the guys who are seeing this, watching this video, you must be having the pets and you take care of your pets so much. You love the pets. But I want to tell you something. There was an event happened in Andhra Pradesh, and the political parties are alleging that literally the police department have killed an innocent individual. And the ruling party wants to term that innocent individual as a person who has committed a lot of crimes. So he deserved that capital punishment. You must be worried. Why I have mentioned the statement capital punishment? It was not the court which has given him the capital punishment, but it was the local police officer, the station officer, who is termed as a circle inspector, CI, in Andhra Pradesh. And now he is facing an allegation of killing a 25 to 27 years old guy called Gades Sai Krishna. Have you ever seen a movie called Thudaram in Malayalam? An innocent father fights for the silent death of his son by the police department. And that picture has garnered 300 crores of revenue in India. And now this case horrifies us much more than that. An innocent guy who was targeted to be the criminal was taken to the police station in Krishna Lanka area of Andhra Pradesh. He went missing for 1 month and he had only one mother. His mother was rushing to the station every day, and the police used to say that he was in some jail or something else. His mother did not have the knowledge to whom she should approach. Finally, she approached the local bar association of the lawyers, and they filed the habeas corpus petition in the High Court of Andhra Pradesh. And here comes the horrifying facts. The Gades Sai Krishna has been allegedly killed by the local police by the CI of that particular station, and he has been burnt to avoid the traces of the torture. Have you ever imagined such things happen in the Indian constitution? Have you ever assumed if such thing happens to one of the people in our family, can we bear such things? I just want to ask the governments, either the central or state governments, by any chance do you have any idea what this is up to? Today it is Sai Krishna and tomorrow it is some other guy. The main problem with this such kind of incidents is the government's rigidity to explain such things, the government's non-responsiveness to explain why this happened. Nobody from the government answered the questions about this case, and the Home Minister was saying that still it is under procedure and she will take care if something has come out of the report. And unfortunately, the opposition party in Andhra Pradesh is also very much rigid in taking up this case to the public. I just want to understand if some incident happens to some of us in our real life, to some of your friends or some of my friends, how would we feel? If something happens to me, that I am talking about such cases, if something happens to you, that you are liking some cases, what would be the halat of this India? How can we say that India will become a developed country? The governments are rubbing the agendas on the people. The government are pushing the ideologies which they believe that they are right on the people. And when will India change? What will be the response of the social society? How will an innocent mother will fight for her son in this costliest judiciary in the world? Why judiciary is becoming silent? Why constitution is not being respected in India? Do any of these questions are getting answered? My answer is straight away no. I just want to make an appeal to the national level parties and also national level NGOs and also the national level people and also the people who want the nation to be corrected and responsible governments should be there. I am requesting them to take up this issue very seriously and bring justice to Gades Sai Krishna and his mother. Today it is Sai Krishna. Tomorrow it may be me. Tomorrow it may be you. If it is not responded today, nobody will respond if something happens to any of us. So I am requesting everyone who is watching this video, just act responsibly and also try to take this into the public and share this video as much as possible. I have put lot of efforts to make this video in English. I being a South Indian, I came from a normal family background. I cannot speak the best English, but however I try to do the things what I can do and I will also keep doing such things. I request you to share this video as much as possible.